class. Here is our globe. We're going to show you, remember this is North America where we live, and we're going to see where Miss Rumphius traveled to. She may have had to travel by train across North America and then take a boat for a long, long way. Nowadays we could take an airplane, but she probably had to take a boat. She went to this big island here, and half of this island is called New Guinea. It's right near the equator, and remember what Miss Mary G said, it is a hot place. It's tropical, that means it's hot. And in this island there are jungles and mountains and the most beautiful and amazing birds that anyone has ever seen. So I'm going to show you some pictures of the place and a short video of the birds. Okay, here is a picture of New Guinea, probably seen from a helicopter. You can see rocky islands and a beautiful, beautiful ocean. Now we come to some farmland in the middle of New Guinea. You can see where people have planted little crops, and you can see some of their houses. This is a picture of a man, I believe he is a scientist on New Guinea, and I think he is measuring a tree. It's probably one of the biggest trees on the entire island. Look how huge that thing is. Now remember in the story of Miss Rumphius, she went to the island and the king gave her a seashell on which he had painted a picture of a bird of paradise. Well, here are two pictures of these amazing birds. See their beautiful feathers and their long, amazing tails. In the next slide, you're going to see a short video of how some of these birds dance.